Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let me tell you today how you can improve your handwriting with some tips and tricks that I have used since my school days. Before we get into the video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, so tip number 1 is sitting posture and writing pad or table. This I learned unconsciously because I was always worried about my handwriting. You need to sit properly with your back straight and a well adjusted table according to your height. A table too low or a chair too high, and vice versa, can affect your handwriting tremendously. Plus, we don't want unnecessary health issues arising from trying to learn good habits. Watch the video till the end as I will give you a secret tip that takes absolutely no time to do but helps you more than any other tip anyone has ever mentioned. Now, tip number 2 is tilt your paper and soften your grip. Depending on whether you are left handed or right handed, you need to tilt your book or paper a little upward on that side. When you do that, it helps you keep your letters in a single direction. Also, a very important advice I would give you is relax your grip on the pen or pencil. This will prevent your fingers from cramping and enable you to write for longer periods of time. Always rotate your pen in your hand and experiment with your grip. If possible, if you're journaling, I would recommend buying a good quality book as it would incredibly elevate your writing experience and make you feel like an accomplished writer. The third tip is spacing and pressure and straight line. When you write, you need to keep an appropriate amount of space between your words and letters. Also, do not put pressure on the page that you're writing, as it will in turn put pressure on your fingers and also ruin your experience when you start to write on the next page. Don't join letters together, as it will look untidy and also cause some confusion while reading. Number 4 is your writing tool. A pen, a pencil. Personally, I love to write and experiment with my handwriting, but this experience can easily be ruined for you if you do not have a smooth writing pen or pencil, and sometimes even the paper or surface you're writing on can put you off writing. That is why always try and find a pen that is perfect for you and buy it in bulk. And by bulk, I mean at least 5, not more than that, or you'll soon get tired of using the same pen. Oh, and make sure the pen does not blot or smudge, is not too light or too heavy. Okay, number 5 is practice and be consistent. Lastly, make sure you write every day for at least 10 minutes. Put a timer in your phone and do it only for 10 minutes. Doing it once a month for an hour won't improve your handwriting, but for 10 minutes every week for a week or two, and you'll definitely see results. Okay, the secret tip is your index finger. Wherever you are, whatever you're doing, you have to keep moving your index finger in circles. This might sound weird, but trust me, when you exercise that finger, it will help you improve your handwriting faster. And it is super easy. You can do it whenever you remember to do. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope it helps you in some way. See you next week.